Alright, it's a big day. I just dropped the kids off at school, and before we left the house, I got a call that the chicks have arrived. Also got an email last night or the night before saying that my potato order is ready. So, I've got a lot to do this morning before work, and not enough time to do it. Just dropped the kids off. I'm gonna race to the post office, grab the chicks, take them home, hopefully have time to get them set up and under a heat lamp and have water and food, and then race to my meeting. Then after the meeting, I'm gonna go to pick up the potatoes, bring those home, and then I have another meeting that I have to get to. So, big day, exciting stuff. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, they're chirping away. Sounds good. I normally like to open the box right at the post office, but I just realized I'm dressed for work, so I don't have my knife on me, because I don't have enough pockets in these jeans like I do in my cargo pants. But at any rate, I can't open it right now, so I'm going to race home, open it up, make sure they're all doing okay, and then get them set out. They're pretty excited right now, pretty loud, so let's go. Everybody okay in there? Don't even think about it, Diggy. Bet you'd love to get in here and play, wouldn't you? There. Watch out. It's been hectic. I am, oh, I just turned in the wrong place. Darn it. Alright, well, turn around. U-turn here in this parking lot. Alright, so the main potato lady had to go to Newport, and their warehouse is out behind a bunch of buildings. You would never know this is here, but it's a nice little warehouse. I'm pretty psyched to be getting my potatoes today. Time to see how the chicks are. Then I gotta go upstairs and let Ziggy down here. He's beside himself because I came in the basement. How are we doing, chickies? Everybody okay?